Afeyenko Asante mantam eja hihye bia koso ama enipa nan ahwere omonkwa na saja hihye we no ensi wo faako miaya ahodo mienu enesi ya emu ba kokra de na eye oyire ne okunu womoda ho no eja no ba no sede na eja na no den tienti womo antumi entwetwa anye won ho anwane ene se eja no ahyesa nipa nan nyina ekumu
Ofreni papa mpempi no a ese ne nsa ebeka no nanso ne nsa nka no kopim se nadamfo efre ne ka kire ne se ne papa eja ahye no Kingsley Asante oyeba panyini e de ma owura Godfred afenwa a wanya ne baabi ko ekire se emre twato ne papa kasaye no na ye joda na wo hwe ni mu se obehia ne mana nanom.
I thought it was a dream, so I was just there and my brother took called and he said, Kingsley, oh hey, Mr. Godfred, that's you. Initially, I dreamt and like he was looking nice, and I said to my friend, and I said, yeah, the way I've dreamt about my father, I don't think he's going to last for long, so I need to call him. So I called him severally, and it wasn't going through, and it just came, just like around 12:30, and I heard it.
One day free me. Godfred afenwa wonye mfihie aduonu nson wonne ne yire happy danso a wonye mfihie aduonu mienu woyi dwadini wo kire se na woda ntabo dan mu e woginya ase a wo mo dan a wodamu no eja etomu ahemnache ene eja ne to dan ni mu a oma mfa hwe kora e wo ho ohwe omuni padua a eja afra na mo no a apolisifoɔ kire se ɔde wo makopie mu ɔmo kire Panyinikasia bedi yechire wakasa edema odumujadwumaku ne fa ewa Asante mantemu DO3 Peter Adey echese enhwemu ahyase.
When we got there, we realized the fire had engulfed a wooden structure, so we extinguished it, and after we extinguished it, we realized 2 people had been burnt by the fire. A 51-year-old man and a 42-year-old woman lost their lives as a result of the fire. For now, we know the whole wooden structure got burnt, and investigations are underway to establish what actually caused the fire.
Enye nkwa okupimo mamponso a ejakro no a amanipa mienu ahwere won nkwa obako wafim na ekire se na wada enuhu se emisi ni eba oye ne obetumi bia efrefre ya so obinya nkorofo mo bedu gya no na enso ankwesi aga nana efamu ehwere ne nkwa
bi man fa hwe me sole me ko me jadale na me sole ya nsem so me de me ho se asi abonte na me tiatiemu bia mfe nana no ajeso odi me hwio munyimio sana na wankasem bi
DO3 bafoje owodum jadwumaku e wo maike na mu ekire se enhoma wodo a ye de awo ya fie no en na acha enam so bi masade en ebae
so here mampon krodie yema dan do na ye more than 25 years and a cable so there after 25 years the insulators need so weak this what happened now the best thing is about society but then